And now our paintedautoparts.com Motorhead of the Week.
Tony spent 4 years teaching automotive technology at the high school level, and he's going on 17 years as a community college professor. And there's not enough time to list them all, but Tony has certifications through the roof. Well, let's just say if it runs on gas or diesel, he can work on it. And when he's not teaching folks how to work on cars, he's working on cars in his spare time, of course. He says he's done around 350 restorations, mostly for friends and family. And he's done a few for himself, too. A 70 Chevelle LS6 with a factory 4-speed, a custom 74 Corvette, and his favorite, an 83 International Scout 80. He paid $350 for it, and after restoration, last year he sold it for $45,000. Hey, hop on over to MotorheadGarage.tv and tell us why you or someone you know should be Motorhead of the Week. We'll tell your story to the world.
Don't go anywhere. More Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com still to come.